small. So if you want to see what's in my bag, just keep watching. So I've had this bag, I want to say for like at least 6 months now, and I actually unboxed this on this channel. So if you want to see my unboxing of this bag, I'll make sure to link it in the cards above. But I love this bag so much. This was definitely one of the best investments and one of my favorite bags. When I tell y'all so much can fit in this bag, it's pretty unbelievable. So that's why I'm very excited to show you all what can actually fit inside of here. The crazy thing is that this is the size small, so I cannot imagine the medium or even the large. Like the large, you could probably fit a laptop, to be honest, because before I give it away, let me just show you guys what's in the bag. So, as y'all can see, it's easy to open. I don't have it overstuffed. Like, I'll tilt it a little bit. Hopefully nothing falls out. But as y'all can see, so much can fit in here, and it's not like stuffed. It's not heavy. It's not like I was stretching and forcing it to close. So, the first thing I have is my car keys and my little card holder. The next thing are my AirPods. I just have the regular ones. I have some sunglasses. I'll show you guys how they look on. This is just how they look on. And these are from She's a Doll. The next thing I have is a sample size of the Baccarat Rouge, and I got this for free when I bought my YSL bag, the pink one. I have some magnetic liquid eyeliner because if you guys didn't know, I wear the magnetic eyelashes, but sometimes I need to apply a little more throughout the day, so I carry around the eyeliner with me just in case. And then I have like my lip combo, which is the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate color and the Juvia's Place in the color Brown Sugar. The next thing I have is hand sanitizer. The next thing I have is my Apple charger. I use this just for any of my Apple products. I have really long days at work, so I have to kind of carry my charger, so that way I'm just not without my phone or my AirPods, so I just carry the charger. The next thing I have is my pen. Like, this is like my favorite pen. I have my stylus that goes to my iPad mini. As I told you guys, this thing holds so much. So I have my iPad mini in the stylus. Of course, my phone. I have the iPhone 12 Pro. I have a comb. And I think that's it. So as y'all can see, so much fits in this purse. It's literally the best thing that I could have ever bought. I can literally fit my essentials plus inside of here. I love it. When I first got this bag, I was so worried that I would mess up the leather and that it would look old. But as y'all can see, it's been 6 months and it still looks, or longer. I honestly cannot remember when I purchased this bag. Maybe, I don't remember. I will like insert it down here whenever I figure it out. But as y'all can see, it's still in perfectly great condition. And what I love about this purse is that I can wear it crossbody by just pulling the strap and just wearing it like as a crossbody bag. And I'll show you guys. I just love how I can just wear it crossbody. And I love how I can wear it as a shoulder bag, which is mostly how I wear it. I mostly wear it like this on my arm. And this bag is so lightweight. It goes with literally everything. I got the black leather with the gold hardware, and I honestly am kind of interested in the black on black with the black leather and the black hardware. So I am interested in that one as well, just because I get so much use out of this. And this is kind of become my everyday bag. I do not babysit my bags. I use this all the time. I'm not like careful with it. I just keep it in the dust bag, but I'm not like, you know, very gentle with it. And I just think this is a great purchase. Like, if this is on your Christmas list, like, I highly recommend that you get this bag. I did get mine from Selfridges, so I was able to get it for way cheaper than what I would have paid in the United States. So if you want to see more about that, I did talk about it in my unboxing video. And I just love this bag, and I'm just trying to be careful, because if I'm not, I would literally have every Lulu in every color and size. But I just really enjoy this bag. So now I'm gonna just tell you guys the details on the bag. So this is the Saint Laurent monogram bag, and it has a front flap, and it is 100% calfskin leather, and the dimensions are 25 by 17 by 9 centimeters or 9.8 by 6.6 by 3.5 inches. The shoulder strap, it folded, is 30 centimeters / 11.8 inches. When you wear it crossbody, it is 56 centimeters and 22 inches. And it has a magnetic snap closure, and it has 2 main compartments and a zip compartment. So I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the bag. So it does have like this really large compartment here, and it has a little smaller one here, and it does have a middle compartment that has a zipper. So I really like that, because you can put like really important things that you don't want when you're opening and closing your bag to fall out. So I really love that. And it has like a little pocket here as well, so you can just like, you know, keep receipts or just slide like different products that you just want to slide in there. So I just really love this bag, and I like how it has some compartments, because it's not like a giant hole and things could get lost and you'll never find it. So this was definitely one of my best purchases of 2021. So now I'm going to show you guys some mod shots. Watching, and I am so close to 300 subscribers, so I would love if you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos from me. And make sure you drop a comment and let me know, do you have this bag or is it on your wish list? And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.